then take ramp right. 5.4 miles, then turn right.
Y'all Facebook so much, you'll be alright.
Hey, mind your business so much. You drive right. Come here, tired of telling me this shit, Shay. Scaring the shit out of me. Good thing I ain't had the shit.
Thanks for choosing Krispy Kreme. How can I help you?
Hello, this is A Day with Shay, and I'm back for my dozen of hot glazed donuts.
If you're looking for a winner, looking for attention, looking for supreme, looking for a queen, just roll with me. If you're looking for a winner, looking for attention.
Alright, so excuse me, it's a little dirty, but it is, what's today? Saturday, and it's about 9:30. So my sister, my mom, and my stepdaddy woke up at like 6:30 to go eat this morning, and I went with it. So me and my cousin, I was about to show you. She getting dressed, but we about to go down there and eat now. So yeah, let's go see what they got. This mirror is so dirty. But I'm in love with these shoes, y'all. What do y'all think?
I still can go and not eating.
Do you like? Alright, so I'm on the way because I just couldn't wait for them. I'm too hungry. But I'm upset I couldn't even wear my cute outfits for real because it's so cold. Like, so cold. And my hair is a mess, like, ugh. And I feel like it's growing out, so it don't look good in post anymore, which I hate. Let me not hold my phone over here because y'all know Rashida from Love and Hip Hop.
Mama in there.
Look at them.
I'm good. Let's get another color your hair. Thank you.
You're Rashida's mom, right?
Thank you so much.
Does she work? Like, does she come to the store a lot?
No, she don't come a lot, but she tried to come once a month or once every other month or however. Because she's basically at the store in Atlanta the most. What is it? Oh, okay.
So y'all, that's Rashida's mom. You know Rashida from Love and Hip Hop, the one that be going off on Kirk all the time. I don't even want to zoom in, but she is right there in the middle with the purple hair. Alright, so we're leaving at the Galleria Mall, and it's ranked number 38 in the world or whatever. Literally, it sucks. It literally sucks. There was nothing in here. The only good thing today was that we saw Rashida mama. It's nothing spectacular about this mall. I was excited to come here, but I mean, I'm ready to go. Alright, so the outlet mall is much, much better. So this is where we are. We're heading to Route 21, then Rainbow, then Ross over there. Okay, ignore my hair once again, but I had to buy some new pants and put them on because my other pants had weed on the butt, and I kept, hold on, wait till people pass by. Yeah, it was something like right here on my butt that kept on like itching me. I don't know if it was a piece of stitch or I don't know what it was, and I kept on digging in my pants and like trying to scratch, and people probably thought I had like rabies or something. So I just went on ahead and bought some new pair of pants. So I just got these green ones. We are currently at Wingstop. Who does she think she is? I bought Chinese food earlier, right, from the mall, the Galleria Mall, which no one should ever go to in life. Pretty nasty. So ordered me some wings. Get your feet down.
And don't do this for the people.
You're gonna put your foot up. Car already dirty, needs to be washed out. Quick. You look like Shanae. Do that again.
I ain't talking to.
Who you talking to?
You and her.
You ain't talking to me, girl. I'm talking to you.
Was she the biggest?
Look at her put shoes on my seat. Look at them.
Get him down.
Come, but she talks to us.
Get the motherfucker down.
Get slapped.
I didn't curse. I'm just saying what you would say to me, but you put
See,
those
look,
feet down.
with
on.
Timley,
You gotta be soft with it. You gotta be.
I can just look at her and tell her one time she gonna do it. I ain't got to see like this like with you. I have to throw a cuss word in
Baby,
there.
you
know I
gotta
don't play.
Tim be pretending like she don't hear. That's the thing.
Timley hears me. I can just give Timley a look.
your thing.
She know I'm not playing because I would knock the hell out of her.
I hate when Timley play music on her phone because it's literally the whole block can hear it. What's Tim doing in there?
I'm waiting. Same thing you doing. Waiting for you.
You know he hungry.
He can stay in there and wait.
Period.
Y'all Facebook so much, you'll be alright.
Hey, mind your business so much. You drive right. Come here. Tired of telling me this shit, Shay. Scaring the shit out of me. Good thing I ain't having shit.
Curious to see if you scratched your rim.
Well, get out. Look, who's
I'm
talking?
about to say it's right there.
Yeah, I know. Like you just constantly kept eating.
I know you can look and see though. Look on.
Are you gonna be affected by it?
No.
In our area, at least an
She's
hour,
so
2
I can
hours
tell
away.
when she lying.
Okay. Like seriously, I swear I was just playing for the first time, but there's a scratch here, and I'm gonna take a picture of it. Just
Guys, I'm known to hit
You know to tear up some
cardboard.
shit.
Curbs around here. God dog. Can y'all see? Can I see this, Mom? I mean, ain't next for it, but tires can be replaced.
you making sharp turns. I mean, that's what you're gonna get.
It can all be replaced. Everything is monumental. What you calling them for?
You stay at my bed.
What you gonna do about it if I don't?
Kick you out.
This is my car. You can literally get
Okay.
left in Texas today.
Open up.
It's a fun.
Oh,
Lord,
shut
I just
up.
got my
it's-
food. I don't know. My sister's skinny and fat.
You girl go to the party.
Who had the party? Ain't no party, but Shay ain't there, baby. Some fries. They are so nasty. Let me try them with a little sauce or something.
What kind of fries in there?
The kind they shouldn't have gave me.
Okay. Give me get a sip.
I can't do it. These only kind of fries they got. Hold them. Get them to your man, girl.
Give them to yours.
One is shame.
Trying to tell you.
I don't want them.
I didn't offer them to you.
Want to-
Hot, 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 hot.
Can I borrow one?
No. You knew you were hungry. You knew you were hungry.
Let me tell y'all this. Okay, since both of my girls, right, I'm the mother.
We know.
And both of my girls made honor roll this semester. Yay! And so what I'm doing for them,
Wait.
I'm letting both of them buy each other something.
Oh my God.
How great is
I
that?
thought you were really about to
That's
tell us
awesome.
something.
And then on top of
I know.
that,
Crop it out.
I'm gonna let them both buy me something for pushing them to be great.
You don't push me. I push myself. Thank you.
Some is
Tim, that
is
fry's
that.
so nasty. You can have one.
I got one now.
Well, don't touch mine no more then.
Not then.
What y'all wanna buy me?
Got some.
Got a fry?
I want. Move! Get out the way! Get out the way! Get out the way!
He's trying to sneak off and go to the Krispy Kreme donuts. And he come my mama. He come my mama. Watch it come.
I really don't want you to come, bro. That's your business because you can't stop me.
I can. So we are currently. My head is a mess, y'all. I apologize. What you for?
Thanks for choosing Krispy Kreme. How can I help you?
Hello, this is A Day with Shay, and I'm back for my dozen of hot glazed donuts.
All right. You got $9.
All right, praise the Lord.
He said, huh?
Oh. They hot?
Yes, ma'am.
Praise the Lord. All right, y'all. Ooh, it is 5:30 in the morning, and we getting ready to leave. Oh Jesus. Much wraps up this vlog. I'm so sleepy. Yeah, this wraps up this vlog. Be sure you're subscribed, because if you ain't subscribed, what you doing? And I'll see y'all in the next one.